'Twas the morning after, at a special paint shop. They drank and they sang, until the party did stop. What happened to Saint Nick? We don't really know.
Holy f***, I'm late, we need to go!
As much as Saint Nick wished he could stay, 3 little elves assembled his sleigh. Mrs. Claus was saving up for a Hummer, but who could say no to a built pre-runner? Starting up with a deafening roar, Santa's new sleigh was sent out the door. Using the power of a Toyota V8, not a single gift would be arriving late. Sliding through the streets with a joyous smile, the children's gifts were delivered in style. With sleigh so loud and track so wide, from local police he surely did hide. The night went on as he drove downtown, giving gifts to all except for the clown. Famished he was after all that work. "Ooh, beaver tails," he said with a smirk. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a gesture. Another Christmas season done, what an adventure. Until next year, when Saint Nick will return, it's your job to work hard for gifts you will earn.
Then he's losing it.
Yeah.
Why can't you? Okay. Yeah, don't think Shane's not there. Right there. Okay, don't think about him.
I do every night.
What? What?
This not easy.
No.
It the easiest to see.
Yeah. The boss has gotten every single one back to back.
Face is not easy.